Hey, so in this video, we're going to talk about Helium 10 black box price and pricing, and I'm going to share the best deal with you so you can save big on Helium 10 black box and generally on the Helium 10 set of tools. So check out the link in the description. It's going to lead you to this landing page where you'll find the best discounts, coupon codes for Helium 10, promo codes, voucher codes, referral codes, whatever you call them, and the free account, the free trial of Helium 10. Check it out in the description. As well, you're going to find a playlist of Helium 10 tutorials with over 230 videos and over 3,600 views to that playlist. Enjoy the playlist. There's a lot of content about Helium 10, different parts of Helium 10 and how to use them. And also, I recommend you checking out my channel. On the channel, use the search bar, type in, for example, Helium 10 Black Box, and you're going to see all our videos that are connected to Helium 10 Black Box and how to use it. So check it out in the description. Now, Helium 10 Black Box price and pricing. Helium 10 Black Box is a tool for Amazon product research. As you can see, find profitable product opportunities on Amazon. Now, this tool comes with the Platinum plan fully. It's starter, it's limited. In free, it's limited. Okay, so you can get this tool fully if you want to really dive deep into product research. And also, there's a video that shows you how to use all the parts of Black Box in the description. You need the Platinum plan. The Platinum plan or the Diamond give you full access to the Black Box. Now, in order to save big on Black Box, it's going to be on Platinum. It's usually $99. If you apply the code VOVA10, it's 10% off for Platinum every month. So you're going to get Platinum at $90 and you're going to get Black Box access. As you can see here, here's Black Box, here's the kind of the V, the tick, and you'll get access for $90 only with the Platinum. With a Diamond, it's going to be $252 per month. For Black Box, of course, you get access to other tools as well. For example, with a Platinum, you get access to Black Box. And if you pair the Black Box with X-Ray, which is kind of Chrome extension that you can also get for free in the description, then you're going to have a potent kind of equation for Amazon product research. So you can, and you should actually, not only can, you should use Black Box and X-Ray together. Although you can only use the X-Ray for product research, Black Box gives you kind of a bit more knowledge and a bit more opportunities of products that you can find through it. And of course, I have also the tutorial that shows you how to use Black Box in the description. So again, you can get it for $90 or $252. Another thing that is cool with the Black Box price, you can actually get it if you scroll down here. That's, by the way, inside Helium 10 free account, we have the option to upgrade. If you click on upgrade, okay, if you're on the free plan, for example, that's a test account. Usually we're on the Diamond plan, but I'm just using test account to show you different kind of capabilities and how it works. So pretty much you click on upgrade or you click here on plans and billing. If you click on the drop-down menu, it's going to take you to this landing page. Apply the discount here. Ta-da-da-da. Now, another thing is if you scroll down, you have the A La Carte. A La Carte means you can buy different tools of Helium 10 separately. Maybe you're like, well, I don't want to pay the $90 and I only need the Black Box, man. Okay, no problem. So then you scroll down and you find the Black Box. You click on add on price, kind of on this tick near the add on price for Black Box, and then you click on subscribe. In this way, you're only going to pay for the Black Box. Now, in my opinion, Black Box alone is good, but at least pair it with X-Ray. And it's going to be $58 per month for product research. That's going to be a good idea for product research. A great addition to product research for keyword research, essentially, and keyword research is kind of connected to product research because through good keywords, you can find good products on Amazon. That's the Cerebro. Now, if you add Cerebro, Black Box, and X-Ray, that's already $97, and the discounts for some reason don't work with the A La Carte plan. So you can simply already buy the Platinum plan and everything that's included in it instead of buying it separately. But you can buy the Black Box with $39 a month just separately if you only need that tool. Maybe you have an extension that you're using together with Helium 10 or you only need the X-Ray. Fine, up to you. So it's going to be $58. That's better than $90, I agree. So in this case, it is kind of a good deal for you. But if you're already adding Cerebro and all the other tools, then it's better to use the Platinum or the Diamond plans. So price of Black Box can start with $39 if you use A La Carte, or if you use Platinum or Diamond, it can be $90 or $252 with the Diamond. If you use the VOVA 6 M20 discount, okay, it's gonna help you save 20% off every month, but for 6 months only. VOVA 10 gives you 10% off forever with Platinum and Diamond, which is good because, for example, we've been using Helium 10 since about 2017 in our business. And, you know, if you're continuously saving 10%, then on the long term, you actually save quite a lot of money. But with VOVA 6 and 20% off for 6 months. So you can get Platinum at $80 only, but only for 6 months. Then it goes back to normal price. And again, those don't apply to the A La Carte. A La Carte is still the same price. And as you can see, A La Carte, you can get the X-Ray at a really nice price, but Black Box is $39. So That's the price and pricing. How much is Black Box? It's $39 if you just basically use it as a la carte. Only Black Box, $39, no discounts. You can get Black Box within Platinum. You can get it for $80 a month if you use the VOVA 6M20 code, or in Platinum in 224. As you can see here, the first one is Black Box. You can use the annual pricing as well. That means you pay only once for Helium 10, basically. And with the yearly plans, the discounts are the same. So there's no much difference between this code and the other with the yearly discount. So they're both are going to be same. It's going to be $72 for the Platinum per month. So that's 72x12, basically. Instead of paying $99 every month for the whole year, it's going to be $1,200 for Platinum. You can pay $72 a month, but in one time. So it's going to be one payment of $853. So you save about $350 or something like that. So you can get Black Box within Platinum, and of course all the other tools, which is kind of recommended more because you then have the whole kind of package of Helium 10. But again, if you only need the Black Box, then use the a la carte. Use the link in the description, get your free account, free trial. This is going to be the link that you land at. You have the discounts here. Click on get started today. You don't need to kind of straight away buy the Platinum plan. Just create your free account, go inside the free account, click on upgrade, scroll down, and you're going to find the a la carte. Maybe some kind of directions will change, but usually on the pricing page, you're going to find the a la carte. Just scroll down. Get Black Box. You can get it with a yearly plan as well. So maybe you need it for a year. So then it's going to be $390 for a year. So you also save like 2 months here with the yearly pricing. Instead of paying 39x12, it's going to be like 40x12 is about 480, right? Minus a little bit, right? But here's 10x39 because 2 months you save by using the yearly plan payment. But as up to you, you can use the monthly, you can use the yearly. Here you will scroll down between those two, kind of tuck. So monthly, Platinum, or you have monthly kind of a la carte for Black Box. I hope it was clear. Use the discounts in the description. Thank you for supporting my free content on my channel. You have the tutorials as well in the description. Also on the screen, you're going to find the video that shows you how to use Black Box from A to Z, and save big. And I hope you have a good life and enjoy using Helium 10, and I hope you find some good products. Good luck.